Bot, its meaning and definition. Bot, which is an abbreviation for robot, is a software program that is repetitive, works automatically and performs predefined tasks. Bots often imitate the behavior of human users or replace them. Because they are automatic, they work much faster than human users. They can perform useful functions such as customer service or indexing search engines, as well as be used in the form of malware to gain full control over a computer. Internet bots can also be referred to as spiders, decoy robots, or web bots. What is a computer bot and an internet bot? Computer bots and internet bots are digital tools and, like any tool, they can be used for both good and bad purposes. Good bots perform useful tasks, but malicious bots, also known as malware bots, pose a risk. They can be used for hacking, spying, interfering with and attempting to infiltrate internet sites of all sizes. It is estimated that about half of all internet traffic today is generated by computer bots that perform certain tasks, such as automating customer service, simulating human tech on social networks, helping companies search for content online, and supporting search engine optimization. Organizations or people use bots for repeated tasks that normally need to be performed by a person. The tasks that the bots undertake are usually simple and are performed much faster compared to human activity. Although the tasks performed by bots are usually useful, sometimes bots are also used in criminal activities such as data theft, fraud, or DDoS attacks. The dangers of malware bots and internet bots. Malware bots and internet bots can be programmed/hijacked to infiltrate user accounts, scan contact information, send spam, or perform other malicious actions. Attackers can deploy malicious bots to the botnet, that is, to the bot network, to perform these attacks and hide the source of the attack traffic. A botnet is a set of internet-connected devices that run one or more bots each, usually without the knowledge of the device owner. Since each device has its own IP address, botnet traffic originates from a large number of IP addresses, which makes it difficult to identify and block the source of malicious bot traffic. Botnets can grow themselves by using devices to send unsolicited emails, thereby infecting more machines.